Hello everyone, welcome to lecture on linear equation in two variables. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss how to find the value of determinant. Actually, in the next lecture, we have given two equations. Then we know there are different methods to solve simultaneous equation. And one of the method to solve simultaneous equation is with the help of Cramer's rule. And for Cramer's rule, there is a uh, and in the Cramer's rule we use the concept of determinant. For that we have to understand what is determinant. So let's start with the determinant. Taking determinant of A is equals to determinant of A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, D, these are constant and we are solving this determinant, that means we get the unique answer corresponding to the determinant. The next is this matrix A is a square matrix, that means here total number of rows contained in the matrix are 2 and total number of columns are 2. So number of rows equals to number of columns, so we can say the matrix A is square matrix. That means if the matrix is square matrix, then we are finding determinant of a matrix. This is the concept for determinant. And next is, if we are finding determinant, then we have to write this symbol. This symbol is called determinant. So here A is a matrix, and if we are write determinant mod of A, that is called determinant of A. Now next concept, how to solve determinant. So see here, we have to take the product of A and D. First we take cross product of A and D, then we get AD, and next we have to take product of B and C and subtract this term, that is B and C. So here AD minus BC, we get the unique value. This is nothing but the value of determinant. Now we see next how to solve the example with the help of this formula. Here the first example is find the value of the following determinant. Here first determinant is contain value 4, 3, 2, 7. Now to find the determinant we have to take cross product. So here cross product of 4 into 7 is 28 minus cross product of 3 into 2, that is 3 into 2 is 6. So here subtract 28 minus 6 is 22. So the value of this determinant is 22. Similar way we solve the next example. Here the next example is determinant of 5 minus 2 minus 3 1. Now here we have to take cross product, that is 5 into 1, 5 into 1 minus next cross product is minus 3 minus 2. Here in this bracket both number are negative, then product of two negative number is plus. So here the first term is 5 minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, that is here plus 6 but outside is minus, so it is fraction of this term is minus 1. The answer of this determinant is minus 1. Now see the next example. Here the next example is determinant of 3 minus 1 1 4. Again to solve determinant we have to take cross product. 3 into 4 is 12 minus cross product of 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Here the bracket term contain minus sign and outside the bracket is again minus. So the product of these two minus sign is again plus. So it is 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. So answer of this determinant is 13. Similar way you can try the questions of solving determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, and this concept we use to solve simultaneous equation with the help of Cramer's rule and see this. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.